I hope you're having a nice day. So I'm here to talk you through our newest release, which is our ebook, Beginner's Guide to Dressmaking. This is the second in our beginner series of ebooks. The first one is all about starting from scratch, so coming from novice to dressmaker, and this one is all about dressmaking. So we hold your hand through the dressmaking process, we make sure that you are doing the right patterns in the right order, and we're showing you all the key skills that you'll need in order to go on and make lots more things. So it comes with 3 patterns. One is exclusive, which is the ALine Skirt. It also has a shift dress and also a t-shirt. So the ALine Skirt has a concealed zip at the back, so you're learning how to put a concealed zip in. It's got a waistband as well, and it's cut on the bias, which means it's much easier to fit and hangs beautifully, and also means we don't have to worry about darts. So that's the first pattern. Then you'll move on to the shift dress, which is a slightly different version of our ultimate shift dress. It's slightly looser around the hips, so it makes it easier to fit. It comes with a sleeveless option, which you can learn how to bind a sleeve, which is a really useful skill, because you also might want to bind a neckline in future and just learn about working with bias binding. We've also got 3 sleeve lengths, so a short sleeve, a 3/4 sleeve and a long sleeve. So all the sleeve options, and obviously learning how to insert a sleeve. And then the neckline is finished with a facing, which is a really key thing to learn how to do in dressmaking, because that's how so many garments are finished around the neck. So you'll learn all of that for the shift dress, and then moving on, the next pattern is a t-shirt. And one of the most popular fabrics to dressmake with at the moment is jersey, and so we're making sure that your first jersey pattern is a nice easy one, but also something that will be so wearable and so lovely in your wardrobes. So the t-shirt pattern is got a neckband, and it's got a short sleeve and a long sleeve option. All the patterns come in sizes 6 to 30 and all in digital format, so you're going to get them in your A4, your US letter paper and also your A0. So if you want to get them printed by us or your local copy shop, you can. Now, just like with the other ebook, it comes with all the wonderful extras that ebook did. So we have put in glossary of terms, we've put in a supplies list and extended that for dressmaking. And we've also put a lot more information on measuring yourself, so extra measurements that you're going to need, and maybe even further measurements you might want to take once you're starting to think about fitting. We don't go into fitting in too great a detail because we want to make sure that we don't overcomplicate things at this stage, and that's why we've chosen these patterns. And it's so important when you're learning to dressmake that you don't do things that are too tricky on fitting or on sewing too soon. So that's really key with making sure this ebook really works well for the beginner dressmaker. Then there's also our stitch school videos. So you'll see in the ebook there are these lovely little circles that you can click on, and they will take you to some videos on stitch school that are included with this ebook. So extra guidance and videos throughout as well. It really is a comprehensive beginner's guide to dressmaking. It's the perfect thing just to get you going. And after you finish this, you'll be up to confident beginner level, and you'll be able to go on and make lots more patterns and progress your sewing and dressmaking skills even further. The price of the ebook is £20, so for that you're getting 3 patterns, and if you think normally a pattern is around £11 or £13, so it really is good value for money. And like I said, it's for dressmakers, so you need to be able to sew before you do this, and if you don't know how to sew, then you need to go to our first ebook, which is the Beginner's Guide to Sewing, and do that, work your way through that, and then come on to this one. I hope you enjoy it, guys, and we can't wait to see lots of more beginner dressmakers joining the wonderful world of sewing and sharing their makes with all of us. See you soon. Bye.